I just pulled out the third oldest, who I think's a girl, and she's already starting to explore and forage and eat a bit of seed, which is really good news. Budgies love to forage, or parrots love to forage.